Hi. So I got my pop on veneers, and these are my teeth, and I'm missing some, and I've got some broken ones, and these are capped from when I chipped them when I was a kid. And I have my son's wedding coming up in a couple of weeks, and I just didn't want all of my smiles to look bad in pictures. So here they are. I mean, this is the bottom ones, and so I'm gonna put them in and show you the difference. You can hear them snap. And here's my new smile, which is the best smile I think I've had in my whole adult life. This was definitely worth it to me. I couldn't have afforded the $40,000 to replace all of my teeth. And this works great. I eat with them. It took a little while to get used to eating with them. They feel a little different, but other than that, it's fine. So I highly recommend them. It's worth it. There's payment plans available, and this is my smile, and I'm real happy with it. Have a great day.